Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair has been freshly washed and conditioned, and I'm gonna go ahead and section it off for easy styling because I'm gonna be stretching my hair. You guys know I love to stretch my hair. So do y'all remember that old raggedy red dryer that I would use in my videos? Well, it was on its last leg, so I had to replace it. So I did get a new dryer, and I'm obsessed with it. This is the Breezy Babe from Vanity Planet. It is super powerful, super cute, and very functional. It does have 3 heat settings, a hot, cool, and warm setting, as well as 2 speeds, and it does have a cool shot button as well. Very lightweight, and it comes with a narrow and a wide concentrator, so you can choose which one you want to use. If you're using a larger section of hair, you can use the wider one. If you're using a smaller section of hair, you can use the more narrow one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my new dryer to stretch my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it to warm heat on high speed, and I'm going to go section by section using the tension method to stretch my hair. So if you guys were interested in this dryer, I do have a code you can use to get 50% off. It's Breezy39, and I'll link everything in the description box below so you guys can access it easily. So I'm just going to continue to stretch my hair so that we can get ready for the styling part of this tutorial. Now that my hair is fully stretched, let's talk about the product that I'm using. So this is the Curl LALA Defining Curl Custard from Aunt Jackie's. It's sulfate and paraben free, and it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. It definitely has the texture of a custard and not a cream, but it's not too thick, and it did not weigh down my hair at all. So I'm gonna be doing a flat twist out. So I'm just gonna section my hair into sections. I do have a detailed video on how to do a flat twist out. I will put it in the cards here, or I will put it in the description box, or I'll just do both. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a small amount of the product. Keep in mind that the product is water-based, and you can use it on freshly washed wet hair, or you can use it on dry hair. But I'm using it on my dry hair, so I don't want it to revert back. So I'm just going to use a small amount, okay? And I'm just going to apply my flat twist out. But I am going to make sure that my ends are saturated well with the product because I want a nice juicy curl at the end of my flat twist out. And I'm going to make sure my hair stays detangled, as you will hear all about in my very detailed flat twist out video. So yeah, I'm going to continue to flat twist my hair, and then we'll come back and once it's dry, and then we'll take it down and I'll show you guys the results. All right, you guys, so my hair is fully dry, and I've already started taking the back down, and look at the definition. It is insane, and I only use a small amount of that product. First of all, my hair smells so good because Aunt Jackie's products has a little fragrance, and it's not like an overwhelming fragrance. I actually love the fragrance. It has my hair smelling so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these flat twists. Oh, I am just like, look at the shine, look at the definition, man. And my hair, my hands don't have like a residue on them. So my hair is very moisturized, but there's no residue. It doesn't feel, my hands don't feel sticky. There's not a whole bunch of product left on my hands. So yeah, I'm totally like, this is probably one of my favorite custards ever. So of course I'm gonna take my pick and raise my roots, give myself more height and volume, and basically style my hair. And once I'm done, I'll come back and show you guys the end results. So this is my final look, guys. I absolutely love how defined, shiny, and moisturized my hair is. Definitely check out AuntJackiesCurlsandQuills.com for more information on this product. You can get it at your local Walmart, but if you go to Aunt Jackie's website, you'll be able to use their store locator to determine which Walmart closest to you carries the Aunt Jackie's products. Let me know if you've ever used this product before and your thoughts on it. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!